Welcome to DJTV's entertainment studio. This is what quarantine has done to me. This is the first time I've ever had a beard. I've never ever had a beard before. I always shave before anything. Staying at home, chilling, building this entire studio. I haven't had the chance to shave. Look at that, damn. At least for now, I'm gonna just leave it like this. If I do get an audition in, I can always shave. 2 months of no shaving right here. But bro, look at me. Look what quarantine did to me, bro. Quarantine made me into a body. Bro, come to my tobacco shop, bro. I give you good deal, bro. I even sell you rug. You like rug? Straight from my grandfather, bro. You buy 1 rug, buddy, I'll give you 2nd rug free. Buy 1 get 1 free, bro. No, bro. Buddy, I no cheat. I no cheater, bro. Do I look like cheater, bro? I no cheater. I no cheat. I'm good. No, I no cheat you, bro. I give good deal, bro. I'm businessman, bro. I drive Mercedes-Benz. My boy drive BMW, bro. We live down the Van freeway, bro. We give good deal, bro. I give good deal. I no cheater, bro. Come. Ahmed! Yalla. Ay, Sharamuta. Bro. Buddy, come now. No, but for real though. Yeah, I'm gonna just break it down. If you want to set up your own studio, this is all you need. I mean, to be honest, all you really need is a phone. A smartphone, you're good. You can vlog with a smartphone. Smartphones shoot excellent video. The photo quality and the video quality on a smartphone is already good. If you're on a budget, you don't have a lot of money to put in. But remember, folks, it takes money to make money. Just like every business, you have to invest your own money to start a business. If you want to launch your own business, you have to make that investment to get something started. But you know, not everybody has a lot of money. If you're younger, I know a lot of the youngins want to start a YouTube channel and you just don't have the money to get a camera, to get all this equipment, editing software, lights. Just start off with the basics. I'm gonna plug in the lights right now. I'm gonna show you how big of a difference the lights make. I'm gonna change the angle as well, so. If you do want to get lights, Limo Studio, you get on Amazon. Everything I have here, I have all the links in the description below. I got everything on Amazon. I'm an Amazon Prime user, so I order everything on Amazon. These lights, very affordable, 50 bucks, but I got these like 2 years ago. I do have the links below. The least expensive place on Amazon, but the brand is called Limo Studio or Limo Studio, however you want to pronounce it. 2 large umbrella lights and 1 little one. And it comes with the 3 bulbs, a little carrying case. The 2 big ones are adjustable. This can go up and down. See, it's adjustable. So the 2 big ones can adjust up and down, and then the small one, you can adjust this one. So you have 1 for the right side, 1 for the left side, and then 1 in the middle, just like that. I'm gonna light up the set real quick, and then we're gonna film on that angle over there. This is how I look like with no light, and see how big of a difference the lights make. 1, 2, 3. It does make a difference. It's not a requirement. You can use natural light. I try to use natural light the most that I can because natural light is free. It doesn't even use that much energy. The bulbs are 45 watts. Usually when I'm filming at nighttime, that's when I'm using the light. Natural light is good enough, but if it's kind of foggy or cloudy outside, then I'll use them. You can get it on Amazon, folks. I got the link in the description below. And whenever I buy stuff, I always get the cheapest one. There'll be like 20 other sellers selling the same thing. Of course, I always go with the cheapest one. It's the same product, just different sellers. And the links that I had below, all the affiliate links, are actual sellers that I bought it from. Just to reiterate, use my link below, folks. I do get a small commission, very small. I mean, it doesn't make me rich, but the small percentage that I get from sharing the Amazon affiliate link. Thanks for the support. You help me out, you support me, I help you guys out. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. And I can continue making more videos for you guys. I'm gonna do a separate video reviewing the lights, but the whole point of the umbrellas is to soften the light. If you want to get into DJing, I'll have another tutorial on how to become a working DJ, how to be a professional DJ. I've been DJing since 13. I've been a professional DJ since I was literally 13 years old. My very first turntables was at 11 years old, but the first actual gig where I got paid for was 13. My mom's co-worker got married. They needed a DJ. My mom was like, oh, my sons are DJs, you know, maybe they could DJ for it. And they hired us, literally. That was my first paid DJing gig at 13 years old. I was 13, my older older brother was 14. Many of you guys might know my brother, Charles, aka DJ Earwax. He's a DJ out in Las Vegas. He's got several residencies and several clubs. But of course, right now with the whole COVID going on, all the clubs are shut down right now. But he is an established working DJ out in Vegas. That'll be a separate video. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to be a working DJ, how to get started DJing, how to mix, how to scratch, the best equipment to use. And of course, here we have my MacBook Pro, the 2015 one, but hey, it still works for me. The 16GB RAM, which still works. It kind of lags a little bit and the buffering does take a little while, but hey, it's still working for me right now. Once I get the funds, I'm gonna upgrade, of course. I'm gonna get at least a 32GB RAM. At least the buffering will be a little faster. It won't be all laggy. The Yeti Blue mic, also in the link below, folks. Everything I'm mentioning right now, it's all in the description below. For a USB mic, it works wonders. Record vocals for my music with this. I live stream with it. I do podcasts with it. I do voiceover with it. When I'm editing my videos, if there's something that I forgot to say, I'll just record my voice with this. Also for narration, if you're doing like a voiceover narration, where you're telling a story, playing photos or footage, and you want voiceover narrating over it, it's good for that. And I got the Logitech webcam right here. It's what I use for live streaming. You can use the FaceTime camera that's built in on your MacBook, but I like to use this Logitech. It's just so much clearer. The quality of this Logitech is as clear as the Canon G7X that I'm using right now. 1080, 30 frames per second. Love this camera. Like for a webcam, it shoots wonders. I love the quality on it, and that's how it looks like. The Logitech webcam. They do have a 4K one. I just stick with the 1080 one. My 2015 MacBook wouldn't even be able to handle the 4K. It'll be lagging like crazy. So even if I get a 4K Logitech, I'm gonna have to downsize the settings into 1080 anyways. Eventually, I do want to get a Roland Phantom. I could produce an entire beat strictly with the Roland Phantom. That's my next investment. The printer, the Canon Pixma MX922 model. It's all-in-one. It can scan documents, photos, make copies of documents, and it prints. Scanner, copier, and printer. Usually when I'm printing out my headshots and resumes, there's a print shop down the street that I usually go for that. I'll print out like a stack of headshots or a stack of resumes, and I don't want to use up all my ink. So I just go to the print shop down the street. Yo, I could get glossy prints for my headshots, 25 cents a piece for glossy prints. And for my resume that I staple behind, 4 cents for a black and white. So I just go there, print out like a stack of them. It's cheaper than using my ink. If it's a full-on script, a script for like a full feature film, 80 pages plus, I print it out the print shop. But here's usually if I have an audition, they'll send you sides, 1 page, 2 page sides. Then I'll use this. I use this for printing out the shipping labels. Just peel it out, stick it on the package, ship out. And mannequins. I have another video I made already starting an e-commerce business, a fashion reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, Vinted. That's a separate video, but these are the mannequins that I use for showcasing my products. If you're gonna do something, you might as well go all out, right? It's all depending on your budget. I had the money. My main job is acting. I'm an actor, and I still collect residuals. I've done a couple commercials in my past, been on a couple of TV shows. I'm still collecting residuals from it. I did a Zoom.com commercial 3 years ago. I'm still collecting residuals from it. It gets smaller and smaller every year, but I'm still getting paid from it. My acting gigs, from DJing, doing background work, like focus groups. And I did have a part-time job at a hostel for a little bit. Saved money, a bunch of investments. I invested in crypto, stocks, index funds, 401k. So I just hold on to the money. If I really need the money, I'll withdraw a little bit out. And I use that money to buy all this equipment. The lights, cameras, the microphone. I'm investing in my business because I know eventually it's gonna pay back tenfold, right? This is a Victoria's Secret lingerie top. This is a lay. It's a lay denim skirt. Homeboy is rocking an H&M plaid blazer. These Zara slacks. Yeah, I got a lot of cool clothes that I sell on Poshmark and stuff. So you guys gotta check out my Poshmark. I got the link also in the description. I sell men and women's clothing. Also shoes, jewelry, hats, accessories. Check it out. But yeah, this is my studio, folks. Straight up. This was a patio. It was like an outdoor patio, and then we just enclosed it. Originally, we wanted to Airbnb it, put a couple of beds in here, Airbnb it. I was running this in my room for a little bit. Back in 2017 when I first started, I had a backdrop in my room. I had these 2 mannequins in my room. It was just so tight, like I didn't have space to do anything, you know? I couldn't really work in there. The feng shui was horrible. It was just too small. Imagine having this backdrop and these 2 mannequins all in my room, and my room is like half the size. It wasn't enough space. Just strictly just sleeping and taking breaks and watching YouTube videos. That's about it. I like it to be more spacious, you know? So recap, this is my entire creative studio. I call it DJTV's creative studio. Literally everything is created here. Create mixes, create videos, create music. This is my studio. Thank you for visiting David Jason's creative studio. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the visit. But this vlog is getting a little too long now, so I think we're gonna end it right here. I'm gonna be releasing my video soon. My song Self Love, my first single, was just released a couple days ago. Check it out. iTunes, Google Play, Amazon Music, Apple Music, TikTok. It's all over the place. It's on like every platform. And I just finished editing the music video for it yesterday, so I'm gonna post that either tonight or tomorrow. I got a lot of content coming through, so if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Join me on my journey on this grind. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support, guys. I really appreciate you all. Smash that like, leave a comment, smash that bell, turn the post notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Church. Peace.